Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I just wanted to show you guys what this template looks like that I'm going to be giving out. It is for the fruit snacks. You know, before I always give you guys a template, I want you to be sure and I want you to know that it does fit the item so that you can sell it and use it, you know, with confidence. So I just made this really quickly, y'all, so please don't judge me. But this is the one that I came up with. It's just a Minnie Mouse one, really quick, and that is what it looked like. This fits the fruit snacks. I actually did this for my kids for Valentine's Day, and this is what they passed out to their classroom. But as you guys know, my laptop crashed, whatever it did, and I lost everything. So I decided to remake this tonight, and this is pretty much how it came out. And this is so simple, easy to do, and I'm going to open it. And just so you guys do know, these are the little fruit snacks that I got. These are just the little cheap ones that I bought from Kroger's. I thought it was from Walmart, y'all. I was about to lie. From Kroger's. Nothing special, nothing fancy. I will be giving out the template and measurements to that, so stay tuned. And if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to ask. Bye.